Introducing you to Nina Klein. No, no, this contains phthalates. You can't use this. Instead, use my new Nina Klein line that is phthalate free, and we use a different alternative, which we'll explain later, obviously. Anyways, follow me. Wow, oh, so perfect. This is a great line to use. Wow, wow, so perfect. I smell so good, and it's not damaging my skin. Wow, wow. Now you know which one to use. Nina Klein line, number 5. Well, in the Nina Klein perfume line, we use an alternative called dipropylene glycol, which is a colorless liquid and it has a high boiling point. It is very much better than phthalates because it does not have any risk or toxic effects on the reproductive organs and it does not cause cancer. Nina Klein. Go.
So Nina Klein, your new review was like, hey, how do you feel about that? So tell us more about your perfume.
It is valid, but you have your videos explain why you have to say what the hell.
Well, that's what we're here for. Here's the video.
This chemical is known as 1,2-diethylbenzene 1,2-dicarboxylate, also known as diethyl phthalate. Diethyl phthalate contains 2 esters. Esters are known to have a pleasant odor and taste. Flowers produce esters to attract bees, and they are also found in perfumes and fruits. So what are the physical properties of diethyl phthalate? Well, they are colorless, slightly aromatic, and has a boiling point of 295 degrees Celsius. It is also insoluble in water, which means that it's nonpolar.
The chemical properties would be when decomposed, it releases acid smoke, it is very incompatible with strong oxidizers, and it is very combustible.
Typically in males, this affects their testosterone reproduction, which can ultimately lead to decrease of fertility. This can also have some effect on the female's fertility as well. This can cause asthma. This chemical is very dangerous for infants and pregnant women. Diethyl phthalates are commonly used because it is cost-effective and it is known to be a plasticizer, which makes it ideal for flexibility in plastics. This is also good for nail polish as it prevents the coating from cracking. Phthalates are suspected to act as endocrine disruptors. Endocrine disruptors interfere with the binding of hormones and receptors. This causes issues with the transport, production, and elimination of natural hormones, which are vital for growth and development in humans. When endocrine disruptors affect the hormones, it interferes with the fetal gonad, which is where reproductive cells are produced. In males, this is called the testes, and in females, the gonad is called the ovary. This is important for differentiating sex. In males, Leydig, germ, and Sertoli cells are found in the testes. These cells are responsible for testosterone production, and when these cells are affected, it can ultimately lead to decreased testosterone production. This is also known as testicular degenesis. In 1999 to 2000, data was collected from the CDC's National Biomonitoring Program. The results found that in all 2,540 urinary samples, DEP was found to have the highest concentration. It was also found that the results differed depending on the race, ethnicity, and the gender. It was found that females had higher levels of DEP than males, and these results varied between races. It was found that the highest levels were found in Caucasians. Because phthalates are found almost everywhere, It is difficult to avoid them completely, but you can start by using glass containers or by using plastic containers with the recycling codes 1, 2, and 5. These codes indicate that it is phthalate-free. You can also use phthalate-free perfumes.
In the soil, phthalates contaminate the fertilizers used for plants and can also be transmitted through the roots. Also, phthalates are easily picked up by dust and can travel throughout the atmosphere. It is also commonly found in water streams and rainwater runoff because this chemical is found in many manufacturers, which then migrate into the environment. This means that there can be buildup of this chemical in aquatic organisms such as fish and oysters. It contains esters, which can be great smelling, but it's not always good to inhale. So, for example, detergents or perfumes, they say not to spray too much and not to inhale it way too much because it can be damaging.
Nina, Klein, please tell us what perfume you use.
It's my new phthalate-free perfume from my line of perfumes called Nina Klein.